Hello guys, we back to another video. This video will be part 6. I will continue to the last time we ended up. So in the last time I promised to show you my remaining project items in machine learning projects. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, we back. In the last video I think we ended up here. I show you that about this project and how I done it and what's look like overall. And my second project is my linear regression to predict what phone price. Okay, this predict phone prices. Basically it will predict phone prices. Okay, so first I import NumPy and Panda matplotlib library. From matplotlib library I import pyplot and I import seaborn. Seaborn is basically built in top of matplotlib library. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comment. Okay, after that I import this file from my PC and I basically divided my file into future and target, or this feature and this we are going to predict, and this is the material, this is the pattern we will use to predict this. X is to future and Y is the target. And then after that I do my file to see my head five my file top of my top of file 5 them. And then after that I import to split my training test data, so I import test train test split. After that I split them. After that I just basically import linear regression. Linear regression means it will draw a straight line that fits the data equally, and after it did that our model will be predict on depend on that straight line. That's how I explain this linear regression. Okay, after that I fit all of my training and test data, my feature and my target data into my algorithm linear regression. And then after that I do my Y predict into I do to predict my X test data, and then after that I score them. This is my test data and this is my Y predict data, and then after that this is very bad model. I still don't know, I will learn it maybe, and soon I will learn it, by the way, but I don't know which scoring algorithm to use. I just use R to score. I still don't know. I will going to see a bunch of video about scoring algorithm if YouTube have it. Okay, whatever, but let's go to the other project. Okay, this project is predicting the breast cancer, if the person has the breast cancer or not. This project helps a real world problem. It will solve a real world problem, and this is exciting. And I will explain you every overall about this project. Okay, first I import panda numpy matplotlib library. From matplotlib library I import pyplot library and seaborn, and I set this thing to see my data. If I write df and if I run this code, it will show me everything from the column and the row. Everything will show me everything. It will not going to show me dot and it will continue small data like that, if that makes sense. But by doing this 2 line of code, it will going to solve that problem. And after that I see my info about if my data is have non value or not, and to see my data type. And I didn't only do that, I say before 0 to 19, and then after I see that I then from 19 to end of the data. So when I code this project, lastly I put this one, so it will going to here. But firstly I do from beginner to 19, and then after that from 9 after I do that, after I see the data here, and then I change to 19 to all of them. Because if I do to everything, if I say show me everything, it's not going to show me everything. It will say about here about 19 will start dot, and it will show me the last one, and I'm not able to see the middle one here. So that's why I do that. So and then here I replace b to 0 and m to 1. I think B stand for not, I'm not sure, but I think B stand for not breast cancer, and M stand for have breast cancer, and I replace them to number. Let me point some good knowledge here. Okay, if you not exchange anything, the computer will not going to understand. The computer will understand only numbers, not going to understand this thing. Okay, that's why every time I change this, I don't know, maybe if the library have it and it will automatically change it, but we're not going to see it. I'm not learning that much now, but every time I do my project, I first replace them with number, and then I will code them, and I will remember the numbers to help me, and I put some note here to not forget, because if I forget, it will going to mixed up, and I'm going to be crazy. So after in here, I just did to see my, if I, as you can see here, I can able to see my all data because I said here this 2-line code. If I did not do that, it will going to do dot in this somewhere here, and then I'm not going to able to see the middle one. So that's why that code right there is good. That's why I say. And then here also I see my relationship between my my feature are related to my diagonal, if the person have diagonal or not. So as you can see, they have some good value from them. So I did not remove many of them here. That I remove the list of that features that's not related to the target. So those are this one, okay, this one, and those are that not related. As you can see here, I drop some that the feature are here, here. I don't know if does work, but I drop them out because maybe they have negative number or less number, so I just drop out. I don't know, maybe it is not a good thing to do, but as far as I know, for me it's a good thing, so I drop them out. So here I import train test split, and I just do in the last video. As you can see here, I just do the same stuff. I divided my feature and my target, and then after that I split my X train Y test, and like that. And then after that I import logistic. For this particular project I use logistic regression, because for classification logistic regression is, I think it's a good one to use, so I just use that. And this project ideas I see from YouTube, and this is not my idea, but the coding stuff is mine, but the idea and the data is not from me. But still I'm still going to have to learn, and I'm still weak, but I'm going to be strong, in the future. But after that I just fit my data to logistic regression here, and then I predict and I score them, and it gets 0.7. Not bad, as you can see here. And for today's video, this will be the end of the video, and I will continue the part 7. And make sure to like, subscribe and share. So goodbye.